probably thinking, wow, quarantine with Sheehan, wearing the same outfit every day. Don't worry. I have been wearing different clothes. It's just I recorded this all in one day. Welcome back to Math with Miss Sheehan. Why don't you grab your Learn book? We are going to be on page 183 today, so I'll give you just a second to go there. Today we are going to be working with bills, like $1 bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, and we have to be really paying close attention to the numbers and the words that they're saying today, okay? So let's look at number 1. It says Patrick has one $10 bill, two $5 bills, and four $1 bills. How much money does he have? Okay, so you can do this a couple different ways. What we're going to talk through is just adding those up and thinking what all of those together equal. So if it says one $10 bill, how much money is that? $10, right? So let's write down 10. Okay? Then it says two $5 bills. So we have to figure out, okay, if I have 5, 10, that would be $10, right? So write down 10. And then the last one says four $1 bills. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $4, okay? So it should kind of look a little bit like this. And I know in my mind that they're all dollars, so I'm going to add the dollar sign at the end, okay? So what's 10 plus 10 plus 4? 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. And don't forget the dollar sign. Nice job. Remember, the dollar sign only goes on that side, does not go on this side. Okay, next, we have number 2. It says Susan has two $5 bills, three $10 bills in her purse, and 11 $1 bills in her pocket. How much money does she have in all? Okay, so that's a lot of words, so we're just going to take it a little bit one step at a time, okay? So it says two $5 bills. Two of those, 5, 10. That's what I'm going to write down first. So write down 10. Then it says she has three $10 bills. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. Write down 30. And then it says 11 $1 bills. So that's 11, right? Let's write down 11. Okay, so two $5 bills, three $10 bills, and 11. So mine looks like this. Let's add it all up. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. Great job. All right, so that one will be $51. Make sure you add the dollar sign in the right spot, okay? All right, next, we are going to go to number 3. Raja has $60. Nice, Raja. He gave one $20 bill and three $5 bills to his cousin. How much money does Raja have left? So I'm going to put a 60 over here for Raja, and I'm just going to leave that there. And then I'm going to figure out how much he gave to his cousin, okay? So this is where in my mind I'm going to think about it. I said he gave one $20 bill, so that's going to be $20. I'm going to put a 20 on the other side. And then it says three $5 bills, okay? So three $5 bills, we're going to say 5, 10, 15, right? So write 15 below the 20. Okay, so we have to figure this part out first before we get to that part. So 20 plus 15, see what that equals. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I got 35. Is that what you guys got? Great. Okay, so we're going to do $60 minus 35. Okay, so 60 minus 35. Okay, so remember, you could do this with your place value discs. You might be able to do it without them. So if I have 0, can I take away 5? Wah, wah. I don't have enough. So I have to exchange. I'm going to cross out the 6 and put a 5. Good. And when I bring it over, instead of 0 ones, I now have 10, right? And then I can subtract. I can go 10 minus 5 equals 5. And 5 minus 3 equals 25. Great job. You can also do that using the place value discs. That's just fine. Don't forget to do the exchange, okay? All right, we're going to go on to the back, which is page 184. Okay, so number 4 says Michael has 4 $10 bills and 7 $5 bills. He has 3 more $10 bills and 2 more $5 bills than Tamara. How much money does Tamara have? Woof. That's a kind of tricky question, but we can do hard things, right? So we're going to take it one step at a time. We're going to, like we do with our problem solver, reread it just a little bit. Here we go. Michael has 4 $10 bills. Stop. 4 $10 bills. 10, 20, 30, 40. Write down 40. All right, let's keep going. And 7 $5 bills. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Write down 35. Right below 40. Okay, and it says, ooh, the sun's coming in. He has 3 more $10 bills and 2 more $5 bills than Tamara. So, a little to the side, I'm going to put, let's see, 3 more $10 bills. That would be 10, 20, 30. I'm going to put 30 on the other side. This is what mine looks like so far. And 2 more $5 bills. 2 more, 5, 10. So under 30 there, I'm going to put a 10. Okay? Now, I'm going to add both of those up right now first. And then I'm going to do a little bit of subtraction. So first, I'm going to add up 40 plus 35. And that will give me how much Michael has. Okay? So 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. So I got 75 from Michael. And now I want to know how much more he has than Tamara. So I'm going to do 30 plus 10, which gets me to what? 40, right? Okay, now I'm not quite done because it says how much money does Tamara have? Now I don't know how much Tamara has right now, right? I know how much Michael has, and I know how much he has more than Tamara. So I'm going to, what do you think? Add or subtract? Yeah, we're going to subtract to find out how much Tamara has. So let's set it up. 75 minus 40. 75 minus 40. Gonna give you a clue on this one. You don't even have to exchange. Cha-ching! So 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. Our answer is 35. Very nice. All right, I'm going to erase here and we'll go on to number 5, which is about Antonio. Antonio had 4 $10 bills, 5 $5 bills, and 16 $1 bills. He put 70 of that money in his bank account. How much money was not in his bank account? All right, that was a lot of words again. Let's try it just one step at a time. I'm going to reread. Antonio had 4 $10 bills. Stop. How much is that? 10, 20, 30, 40. Write down 40. 5 $5 bills. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Write down 25 right under 40. So far, sorry, my screen went blank. This is what mine looks like. Hopefully yours does too. Then it says 16 $1 bills. I don't even have to add that up. I just know it's 16. Write 16 under 25. Great. All right, so I'm going to add that money up. That's going to tell me all of the money that he has, okay? So this is what mine will look like. And I'm going to add my ones, and then I'm going to add my tens, okay? So why don't you do that? I'm going to do it, and we'll see if we have the right answer, okay, at the end. So 5 plus 6 plus 0 is 11, so I put 1 down below and 1 up by the tens, so I don't forget about it. And then I add 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. All right, so he has $81. Perfect. That's nice. Then it says he puts 70 of that into his bank account. So he doesn't have $81 anymore, right? So we're going to do $81 minus what he put in his bank account, which was $70, right? So my second problem will look like this. 81 minus 70. All right, let's do that. So think, what is 1 minus 0? 1. What is 8 minus 7? 1. Okay, so I add my dollar sign. $11 is my answer. That is what he does not have in his bank account. Great job. All right, we are on to the last one, number 6. Mrs. Clark has 8 $5 bills and 2 $10 bills in her wallet. She has 1 $20 bill and 12 $1 bills in her purse. How much more money does she have in her wallet than in her purse? Key duck. So I'm going to put a W for wallet at the top and a P for purse, just so I don't get confused, okay? And it looks like we're going to be talking about her wallet first. So it says Mrs. Clark has 8 $5 bills. So we're going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Write down 40 under W. Great. Next, it says she also has 2 $10 bills. So we're going to say 10, 20. Put 20 under the 40. Okay, now that's all the money that we know about for her wallet. So we're going to add that up, okay? So under her wallet, it should be 40 plus 20. What is 40 plus 20? 60, right? Great. Okay, now we're going to go to the side that says P for purse. And it says she has 1 $20 bill. Well, that's just $20. Let's put a 20 under P. And 12 $1 bills. I don't even have to do that. I already know it's 12. Write down 12. And we're going to add that up. So 20 plus 12 is what? 32, right? Great, we're almost done. Now let's read that question again. How much more money does she have in her wallet than in her purse? Now in her wallet she has $60 and in her purse she has 32. So we need to figure out a subtraction problem here. So we're going to do 60 minus 32. Okay, so I'm going to erase just to give myself a little bit more room. 60 minus 32. Okay, so if you look here, if I have 0, can I take away 2? No. I need to go over to my tens and I need to do an exchange. So I'm going to cross out the 6, and what am I going to put there? A 5, right? And then when I bring that 10 over, it becomes 1. So instead of 0 tens, now I have 10. I have enough to subtract, and then I can. So I can do 10 minus 2 is 8, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, we're almost done. Don't forget your $sign at the end. Nice work. Okay, so this is just a great reminder. You guys, if you're ever overwhelmed by a word problem, just do what we have been doing in class. We read the whole thing once, and then we reread it a little bit at a time. And when we have some information, then we stop and we think to ourselves, can I draw this out? Can I write it out? Isn't that so much easier? Yeah. Okay, you can do page 185 by yourself. You don't have to if you don't want to. And then we're going to go on to page 187. I'm going to read your problem solver for today. It says, Clark has 3 $10 bills and 6 $5 bills. He has 2 more $10 bills and 2 more $5 bills than Shannon. How much money does Shannon have? Okay, so do the same strategy. I just read it to you. Now reread it a little bit at a time and draw it in, okay? You can always check on Schoology to see if you got the answer right. Awesome work. We'll see you again tomorrow. Don't forget, extra math, Zern, or Freckle. Bye.